Hi everyone, and welcome to the CDD Vault Registration Module Feature Tour. Registration is a core component of the CDD Vault informatics platform, which allows you to register your small molecule structures and associate any molecule or batch level metadata to those structures. There are multiple ways to register structures in CDD Vault, either one by one, in bulk from an Excel file or SDF, or even programmatically via the API. Once you have provided CDD Vault with the structure, the first thing we do is strip it of any salts and solvents, which then get stored at the batch level, and we perform a duplicate check on the parent structure. If this structure is unique to your database, it will be assigned a brand new unique molecule ID comprised of a prefix and sequential number. The next time somebody goes in and registers a molecule with the same structure, the database will recognize that and give you the option to create a new batch of a pre-existing structure with all of its associated batch level metadata. After registration, CDD Vault will calculate a slew of physical chemical properties based on the structure you have provided, such as molecular weight and log P. In addition, users can capture as many molecule or batch level metadata fields to describe these structures. These structures can contain any type of data, from text and links to controlled vocabulary pick lists, numbers, and any sort of file attachment. In addition, you can have a little bit more control over the registration process by setting certain fields as required for registration and even enforcing unique checks in fields so that you can have required must be unique identifiers at the batch level and also unique IDs at the molecule level. In order to search through your registry, we'll just scroll up to the search interface. The first component of a search in CDD Vault is the project, and that's because the project creates the core collaborative unit in CDD Vault, as every molecule, batch, and end user belongs to one or more projects. If I do not belong to a project, I will never see the molecules and data registered to that project. So many of our customers utilize projects as a way to collaborate with CROs, external partners, or even keep some separation when needed between internal groups. When it comes to actually searching your registry, you have a structure-based querying option so that you could launch the structure editor, draw in any substructure or exact structure you'd like, and you can even cast a Tanimoto similarity search based on the structure that is drawn. In addition, you can incorporate a chemical property threshold query within your search, like I've done here with the pre-calculated molecular weight, but you can also do it with any other pre-captured properties by CDD Vault. In addition, we have a keyword search section. So any of that metadata that you stored at the molecule or batch level can easily be pasted in a list into this keyword search box. Then you click the search button and we will incorporate all of these query parameters in order to turn back your 6 results, in this case with my furan ring highlighted in blue as the substructure. You can also customize this view, so I can customize my report and turn on other pieces of information that are available to me, such as other chemical formats that CDD Vault is automatically generating, chemical properties that might be of interest to me and my research, and additional molecule and batch level metadata that people on my team may have captured. Once you update this report, we pull back the information in real time, allowing you to quickly see your inventory and what you have on hand. If you have a few more detailed questions about a particular molecule, you could always click into the ID, and that will take you to the Molecule Overview tab. In this area, you have high-level metadata, such as who registered a structure and when, as well as the parent-level information, the CDD Vault chemical properties, and a tab with all of your batches listed. So you can see I have 3 batches here with various salt forms and formula weights and file attachments. So it's just another way to interact with your registry. Taking this one step further, here we have only registered a traditional small molecule, but CDD Vault also supports mixture registration. So very similar rules. However, you can also incorporate multiple small molecules into a new entity called a mixture. And this mixture can have parent level as well as batch level metadata associated to it. You can submit structure-based queries across your mixtures. So this particular structure happened to be found in 3 mixtures highlighted here in blue throughout my vault. And if I wanted more information on a particular registered mixture, I could always click that CDD Vault generated ID, which would take me to the overview page. And if I scroll down, all of the individual mixture components are individually listed and hyperlinked with their amounts in which they are present in the mixture. And if I were to click into any of these individual hyperlinks, I would be taken to the specific place in the CDD Vault registry where this particular component and all of its information and metadata lives. Thank you so much for listening.